Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're listening from wherever you're watching from, rather. If you're in my part of the world, it's a morning here, so good morning to you. All right, it's a beautiful day here. It's a beautiful rainy day. Very quickly, I want to talk about PDFs. I've had lots of questions. People ask me, how do I get my book on KDP? I don't have a book, but I've gotten a PDF from PLR. I have a PLR book. I have a course. I have a video where I talked about PLR books, how to get PLR books. Then they say stuff like, I uploaded the book to Amazon, it got rejected. How do I get it? How do I edit my book? Is it possible to edit a PDF file? Well, I'll tell you, yes, it is. It's very much possible, very possible to edit a PDF file. Okay, so quickly, I want to show you this. But before I go on, I'd like you to take a look at this website, easylearning.academio.com. Here they offer courses for just $10 courses. You see, the courses here goes for $10. All the courses. I'm not going to dwell much on this right now because I just want to do this in the next few minutes and I'm out. $10. YouTube ads goes for $19.99, which is $20. And every other course here goes for $10. So pay them a visit. I'm sure you'll be glad you did. Now the question then is, how do I edit a PDF? So take, for example, you have gotten your PDF from freeplrdownloads.com. You have a PDF from freeplrdownloads.com. It's loading. Okay, so let's say you've gotten a book from here and you would like to edit the book. All right, so I'm closing this. I have a book already, which I'm going to use for this example. So I'll close this tab. And so what you could do is there's a site. You could edit your book online. There's a site called sejda.com. I don't know, I hope I pronounce it right. SEJDA.com. Sejda. So see what it says. We help you with your PDF task. Easy, pleasant, and productive PDF. So you can edit your PDF documents on this site. This is the book I will be working with. The book title is How to Get 100 Followers a Day on Instagram. Okay, so it's a PLR book. So what I did, I just click on upload PDF file. It's loading up. So paste my direction there. Here's mine. So this is my book. I click on it to load on sejda.com. Sejda.com. So as you can see, it's loaded already. So we have our book loaded on set. Let me try to reduce this. Can I? Nope. It's not really. I tried reducing the size of the book, like zoom out or zoom in. So I just wanted to. So as you can see, it's here. Right now I can insert a page. I can insert text. I can insert links, forms, images, and the rest. So let's move over to the text part and see if we can truly edit this. So introduction. See. Take a look at this. This is good. So let's edit. As we all know, Instagram is a huge. Oops, it breaks here. Let's break this. So that doesn't work. As you can see, I guess it edits line by line. So you see that, yeah, it edits it line by line. So on the web, so this will be best to edit. So let's say let's do something really good. It is quick to manage. It's quick to manage thanks to its largely visual nature and has some of the best engagements on the web. So let's do you have an Insta account? Yes. Oh no. Wow. Don't mind me, I'm just having fun. So as you can see, it is editable. It's editable, so we can edit this just to show you, so you won't have any doubts. I want to put it right here. So this is the original PDF file, as you can see. Hold on, it's loading up. So here it is. This is the original PDF file. As you can see, it's PDF. You can't edit it. It's uneditable. It's a PDF file. But this website here, Sejda, gives us the ability to edit our PDF file. We could add a new page anywhere. And once you're done, you just come to, where are you? Okay, you just select apply changes. Once you apply the change, this is taking too long. So you could download your new file with the edits you have, or you can change the name of the file here. How to get free, and then okay. And you download the file with the new name. Alright? Okay, so this is one way. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways. The second way, this is online, so it needs your internet connection to work. The second way I'm going to show you is an offline way, and is this app. I love it so much. I love it so much. Now, open file. Alright then, so okay, you can see it's opened now. And this is our PDF file. Opened in, I'm sorry, the name of the software is Wondershare PDF Element. Wondershare PDF Element. You can see it right here, free download now. It's free to download, but I don't think it's free to use. I have a paid version. Okay, this is taking too much time, so I'm gonna skip that. Alright, so go online, find the software, Wondershare PDF Elements. Amazing app, I can tell you, it's so amazing. So this is a PDF file. As you can see, it's uneditable right now. All I have to do is come to this section here, and I see the option to edit or to read. So we're currently reading. We're in the read section now. As you can see, it automatically enables me to edit. So let's do a bit of editing. So this is beautiful. I could turn that open here so I could have more space. Introduction to Instagram. Okay. Now, unlike Sejda, this software is smart and automatically breaks to a new line once you edit. 1 million active and happy users. As you can see, it breaks to a new line, so it's smart and it works quite well. So I do love Instagram. All right, you see that? Beautiful. So once you're done with that, you just toggle it back to read, and let's see how it looks. So we have our, see, it looks the same. Now one of the advantages is if you have the exact font you're editing with, the font your PDF file comes with, it's no stress. It doesn't change your font, doesn't change the look. As you can see, it looks totally the same. And one of the things I love about this this software, I hope I'm not running adverts for them or something, but I just love using it. One of the things I love about it is the convert option right here. So I could convert this PDF to a Word document. Now once I do this and I convert it to a Word document, the good thing about it is it doesn't change the look, the outlook of the file. It gives you a Word document that looks exactly like this. So there's no change in fonts, there's no change in anything. It's amazing. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, so see that docx, right? So that's a Word file, and then save. This might take a few seconds or a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video here and I'll come back once it's done converting. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, it's done. It has converted to Word and we are good to go. So let's open the file. I hope that works. Okay, that doesn't work. I believe that should work. Trigger, that should trigger. Okay, let's have it open from here. Alright, so a Word doc is loading. Okay, so this is amazing. Okay, I'm going to show you quickly. Then before I end the video, I want to show you guys one more thing. You know, you could edit your PDF and sell on KDP, but you could also get a job as a PDF editor online. For example, I work as a freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr, and you'll find amazing opportunities there to showcase your skills in PDF editing for clients. I've made hundreds of dollars doing this, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so while that is loading up, I think it's here already. Sorry. So as you can see, this is our Word document now. Take a look at this. Take a good look at this. Oops. Sorry. Okay, so see what I mean? Take a look at this. Take a beautiful look at this. Now this is our file. This is our Word document that we converted using Wondershare PDF elements. Amazing, isn't it? Not much different from the original PDF. We want to place this side by side. That should work. And this here. Let's do this. You come here. Here we are. I want to show you how good this is. Alright. Now take a look at it. Take a look at it. And tell me what you think in the comment section, okay? Alright, so let's go here. So that's it. That's it about that. Okay. No, I'm not doing this. Alright, so let me quickly show you this. This is my Upwork account. And this is me. This is me. How do I look? Do I look good? Do I look cute? Nah, don't mind, just kidding. So I'll take a look at my Upwork account, and as you can see, I'm a top rated seller, so I definitely know what I'm talking about here. Okay, alright, over 240 jobs completed, but that's not where I'm going to. I want to show you guys this. A PDF to Word, or no, edit PDF. Let's do edit PDF. PDF editing. Now look at this. We're looking for a PDF editor who can convert our doc to an editable one. So these guys have a PDF document, but they need it converted to editable. They need it editable. Yeah, that's the word. So take a look at the simple typing and retyping of documents now. This is paying an hourly rate of $20 to $45 per hour. And this looks quite legit because the client was online 11 minutes ago. He has over 20 to 50 proposals people have sent, and you can see he has a history, so it's not a scam, and it's paying $20 to $45. I would most likely apply for this. And this is another one. This one is paying $150 to retype documents from PDF form to Word. Now the beautiful thing about this is, think about it. You land this particular job to retype a document from PDF to Word, and it's a form. You take that PDF form and you're going to be paid $150, right? You take the PDF form, you come over to Wondershare, you convert it to a Word document, and Wondershare does the job so perfectly that you won't need to you won't have a worry, is it going to damage my form, how is the form going to look? No, it fixes, it does everything for you so perfectly. So you do that in less than 30 minutes and you make $150. What do you think? Alright, so I'm not going to put different ideas in your head, but that's how amazing it can get. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video here, and I hope you learned something. So don't forget to smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment. I want to know you guys are following, okay? Alright, I'll talk to you soon.